friends and family. Yeah, just kind of kicking back now into the day ahead here. Can't believe we're almost halfway, but boy, we're having a nice time of it. We got up extra early at Lake Francis. I would say it's about 25 miles south of Cut Bank, Montana. It was actually pretty warm when we got up and the winds were calm. So we just went ahead and packed up quickly, and we were out of the campground by about 7:45. We had breakfast at the Panther Cafe. I got French toast with sausage legs. Evelyn got a ham steak with also toast and such. Boy, she couldn't eat most of it. So, well, we wrapped all of it up, and that's going to be our dinner tonight. In Great Falls, we hit like 3 thrift stores, and I got a new pair of shoes, which you'll see in future videos. And Evelyn got 2 pairs of slacks. We decided to skip the railroad stations because they were just humongous and kind of time was running a little bit short. And it was already about noontime by the time we got there. I mean, it's 100 miles between where we left and to Great Falls. And we did take a few minutes to drive around the city and see the actual Great Falls of the Missouri River, and pretty spectacular because it's high river because of spring. It was so windy. It was like we couldn't wear hats, glasses, or anything because the wind would just try to rip them off. And I mean, it was even hard just to get the camera steady. Early on, I can't remember the town, but way before Great Falls, we did catch a local, which turned out probably to be the only train of the day, of like 30 cars, and just got it perfectly where he just pulled forward at full throttle and then stopped just where we were the last car. From there, we drove the beat feet for Helena at 75 miles an hour, and while wind is really picking up this afternoon, it was gusty, like up to 35 miles an hour. So by the time we got to Helena, time was starting to get short, so we just stopped in and we got a picture of the state capitol, and we were supposed to go over Mullen Pass and follow the railroad, but I missed the turnoff, but just as well, because later on I realized that it was still snow up on top, and it meant the roads were horrible. Instead, we got here just about the time we needed it to be, which was like 10 minutes before the office closed. And now we're just kicking back. And I'll tell you about the video, our night adventures tomorrow. All right, I gotta get back to my anime. Have a good night.